How to replace the M.2 solid-state drive. Before you begin, remove the side panel, the optical drive if installed, the front bezel, and the hard drive cage. Removal. Remove the single P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the M.2 solid-state drive to the motherboard and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the M.2 solid-state drive by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Replacement. Align the notch in the M.2 solid-state drive with the key in the M.2 solid-state drive slot on the motherboard. At a 30-degree angle, insert the M.2 solid-state drive into its slot on the motherboard. While holding down the M.2 solid-state drive, replace the P1 Phillips-head screw that secures it to the motherboard.